Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy, especially if you're a pizza lover like me. The video title is, How to Add Gift Card to Domino's App, 2025, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. This is perfect for using those gift cards you got for your birthday or holidays without any hassle. By the end of this video, you'll be ordering your favorite Domino's pies with ease. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Domino's app installed on your phone. If it's 2025, the app might have some cool new features like AI-powered recommendations, but we'll focus on the basics. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you don't have one, tap on the Sign Up button and create a quick profile. It's free and takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, head over to the menu icon, usually in the top corner, and look for the Account or Wallet section. This is where all your payment methods are managed. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to add payment method or something similar. Domino's has made this really user-friendly by 2025. Now, select Add Gift Card from the list. You'll be prompted to enter your gift card details. Type in the gift card code, which is typically found on the back of the card, and any other required information like the PIN if it's needed. The app might ask you to verify it right away, so keep an eye out for that. After entering the details, hit Save or Add Card. The app will process it quickly. Thanks to the improved 2025 tech, this should take just seconds. Once it's added, you can go ahead and place an order to test it out. Select your pizzas, add them to the cart, and choose the gift card as your payment option at checkout. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an invalid code, double-check the details or contact Domino's support through the app. That's it, you've now mastered adding a gift card to the Domino's app. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and food hacks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your pizza.